Hello everybody, thanks for joining. Leave a comment, like the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. First of all, in decision making using if statements, it's essentially a question followed with a true or false outcome. And based on that outcome, different actions are taken. So let's give you an example. Let's say I want to get input from a user and we'll store that as color. Input. And we'll say, what is your favorite color? So this is input on the coming from the command line prompted by what is your favorite color? Okay, and we'll just have a simple if statement. If color is equal to blue, then print blue. And we'll just put another statement here called else. Print not blue. Okay, let's see what this does. So my favorite color happens to be blue, so I'm prompted by what is your favorite color. That's what input does. And this is stored in the color variable, which is then passed into this if statement. So if color, which I typed in blue, is equal to blue, print blue. That's why it prints blue. It doesn't reach the else statement because it is blue. If it happened to be purple or something, it would skip this first one and go straight to the else statement. Let's actually take a look at what would happen if I put in purple. Or anything but blue, not blue, just as expected. Let's add another feature. Okay, let's add elif. Color is equal to purple. Now, if I put in purple, it would skip this first section, go to this section, and print purple. It wouldn't get to this section because it would be purple. So let's take a look. What's your favorite color? Purple. Didn't print out blue, it printed out purple, and it did not print out not blue. So it skipped this, and it executed this. Didn't reach this. What if I put something like yellow? So it skipped the first two clauses and printed not blue. Okay, well now let's take a look at what nested if statements are. And these are conditional if statements, which means, let's say I add another if statement underneath the if the color is blue. So if the color is blue, something else needs to happen. Well, let's add another variable. Let's call it age. We'll gather input from the user, and we'll say, what is your age? Okay, and their answer will be stored in age. So if their favorite color is blue, then we'll ask a second question. If age is equal to 24, print older than 20. And we can even add the same thing we did in the first level. Else print younger than 20. So let's see what happens when I put my age in. Oh, and do you see what it did here? First of all, I missed this quotation, so it didn't know. But another thing that I just noticed is that when I put 24 here, this is inherently an integer, whereas the input is stored as a string. So this will throw an error. We can test it out, but I know it will happen, so let's just convert it explicitly to an integer. This way, you can make the comparison to 24. What is your favorite color? It's blue. What is your age? I'm 24. Older than 20. Well, of course I'm older than 20. Let's make a better if statement. If age is greater than 20, then you're older than 20. So let's do that one more time. Blue, what is your age? 24. Older than 20. So it printed blue, and it also printed older than 20. So now, hopefully you can see how nested if statements can be very powerful in Python, a way of creating different outcomes based on different inputs and different data. Thank you, and check out our other videos.